Hey everybody, this is going to be just a real quick video. What you see is about 3 or 4 pickings of habanero peppers out of Susan's garden. And anyway, we picked these, I sliced them up, we dried them in front of a fan, and then let them sit on the mantle and finish drying. And then last night and this morning we put them in the dehydrator to get them down crispy. And now we are going to chop them up into powder. So anyway, got a little coffee grinder here. Going to put them in that and see how we do grinding these up. Okay, this is going to take a little while. We just put in a few at a time, and we're going to see how that chops up. And you see the inside of this is already colored. Susan's been doing other peppers with it. We're doing our hot ones now. There we go. Oh dang, I just lost a pepper. Let's see how. Let's see how that looks now. Oh boy, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, we'll pour that in a jar.
If you want it any finer, you could get it finer than that.
Oh, I think that's, well, we can chop it up a little finer. You can see seeds in it yet.
I don't think it'll chop the seeds. I asked if you wanted to remove the seeds.
I think that's just right.
Okay, if that's just right, we're good to go.
Let me see here. Need to pour that in here.
Wow,
oh
that's nice.
Boy, that is hot stuff. Okay, so that's the process. We'll be doing some more of that. We got a bunch of them to do.
We got a meatloaf pan.
Yeah. That's hot stuff there. It's really interesting. You want to do this outdoors where you have a little breeze, because watch what every time I start this thing, you'll see a puff of habanero dust come out of there. You don't want to be downwind of that. Okay, that ought to be done. And tap that down. Look at that dust blow out of there. You want to keep your face upwind from that. I got a little bit up my nose, and I'm okay now, but it's pretty warm. You know when you inhale a little bit of that. Okay, let's get another. We've got this all over my hands already, so I'm just picking them up by hand to put in here rather than use a spoon. Okay, here we go again. There's still a few big chunks in there. Let's hit her again. There we go. That's going to be about a lifetime supply of habanero powder, I think. See habanero dust all over the back of my hand. Okay, here we go with another one.